Hi guys, welcome to Thulz on Go. So yeah guys, this week's episode is a tutorial on how to do twist braids, and it's pretty simple. It's not like rocket science. It's not difficult at all once you basically get like the grip of things, or like once you get the hang of things. It's very like, you know, easy moving forward. So yeah guys, what I used for this was I think it was about 3 expressions. It was color black, like color 1, and it took me about 5-6 hours to do them. They were not the smallest ones, they were not like the thickest ones either, so that's why I managed to finish in about like a few hours. So the smaller you section out your hair, the longer it takes, and the bigger your sections are of your natural hair, the shorter it takes. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Okay guys, so step 1, you just have to like open a straight line that you're gonna section from. All the way through the head, all around the hair roller. Just make sure it's straight and it's consistent with the other side. So, go to the other side. As you see, it's so straight. Okay, see that? It's a bit big, so we're just gonna make it a bit smaller. And now it looks round about perfect. Okay. Comb it out so you don't have any knots in the hair that you're about to braid, and then open one block, get your hairpiece, get a section of the hairpiece that you're gonna braid with. And then this is very important. So basically, if the hair is straight, well, if the hairpiece is straightly cut, you can't really have ends that are gonna hold like this. So what you have to do is you have to hold it very tight, like here. This is very important. And then just pull like a few hairs, and it's gonna scrunch up a bit there, but that's fine. Just carry on pulling, or stretch until everything is, well, on this end is stretched out, and then you just stretch it out again on the other end, just to have both ends stretched out. And we are good to go. It's stretched out on both ends, meaning it's gonna hold. The braid is gonna hold. Okay. And then, so you make sure it's the same size, and then you grab the hair. Once you grab the hair, make sure that the hairpiece is around the hair, so you have 2 sides of the hair piece and the hair in the middle. And then after that, you take the one end of the hairpiece, you twist it again back to where it was once, and after that you grab the hair, you grab a bit of the hairpiece right next to the hair, you make it one with the hair. Now you have 3 parts of hairpiece and 1 part with hairpiece and hair, and then you just do a simple 3 braid. A 3 braid. And And then once you get to a point where the 3 braid is starting to look like a bit long, make sure that you just grab the part with the hair, the strand with the hair, and the smaller strand of hairpiece, and then you mix them together basically like that. So a twist, and then you basically grab the other one and you start twisting. When you twist, make sure that this is twisted and this is twisted, so both hairpiece strands are twisted. And just go down. Comb it out. Well, comb it out, but comb. Same WhatsApp group.
I was about to say, you pronounced the B in comb.
And then you grab a bit of hair. Well, how much ever hair you want, however thick you want your braid to be.
Bumping through.
And then stretch out. Just always make sure that this part is well grip, because you don't want to slightly grab. Stretch out. Find that this part is like it gets cropped up. Carry on stretching. Carry on until every part of the underside stretch, and then turn it around and just stretch out. Run your fingers through. The piece stretch out some more. And then once that's done, if it's a bit big like this one, just put it aside and then go to your hair. And then grab the hair. Make sure that the hairpiece is around the hair, like this. See? And then twist all the way around once. Make sure it goes back to where it was when you initially started twisting. And then grab the hair out. And then start your 3 strand plait. Don't forget to get some of the hairpiece from the 2 strands to your hair or the natural hair and just braid.
Crunchy.
And then once you get to a point where you feel like you've done the 3 strand enough, just combine these 2 pieces of hair, well, hair extensions, and just start twisting. And don't forget that you twist this one and this one, so just twist. Before you twist them together, you twist them individually in the direction that you're twisting. Make sure that it's tucked in there. What? What is it? And yeah, okay. Okay guys, so after your hairpiece is stretched out, just grab the hair, put it all around, twist it once back to where it was initially, and start your 3 strand plait. After that, just twist the side together and then begin your twisting process. Okay guys, and then before you finish off, this is a very important step. This is coconut oil from Diskim. Just run through the lines and base her scalp. So yeah guys, I hope you learned something new. I hope that was insightful. I hope it opened like a new tunnel of, you know, DIY life. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. Please like please subscribe as well. And yeah guys, please share as much as possible, and if you have any feedback, any suggestions, any comments, just drop them on the comment box below, please. Bye.